So this short video is going to introduce concepts related to light in forest structure. So I want you to start imagining yourself as a tree seedling, struggling to become established and grow on the forest floor. Your worldview depends a lot on the characteristics of the forest above you. Here you're a seedling in a gap in the Nantahala National Forest, North Carolina in the U.S. This is a post-logging gap formed in a mixed deciduous conifer woodland. Contrast this worldview to that of a tropical tree seedling growing at the La Selva Biological Station in Costa Rica. This is a broadleaf evergreen forest in the tropics, and you can see a variety of life forms in this picture, from palms, lianas or woody vines, and trees in the canopy above. The forest and the canopy structure are incredibly important determinants of forest light availability. Aside from where you are on the planet in terms of your location, these factors probably play one of the largest role in determining the amount of light at any point within a forest. And if you're thinking from a seedling's perspective, as I often do, the light availability reaching the forest floor. How do we describe forest and canopy structure? Well, there's a lot of different ways we describe them. Simple terms like canopy height. Is it tall or is it short? How many layers of vegetation are there? Are there many layers? Are there few layers? Are the trees spaced close together, or are they more far apart? What about the crowns of the individual trees? Are they deep? Are they shallow? Are they narrow? Are they wide? In addition to just the depth and the width, the combination of the two creates shape. Are the crowns globular, shaped like a globe? Are they more like cylinders? Are they triangle shaped, like a conifer, a balsam fir? Are they pancake shaped, which would mean that they're shallow in depth but wide in width? Within crowns, other aspects can be described related to how the leaves are oriented and distributed. So the leaves can be clumped in clumps along branches, or they can be dispersed throughout the entire crown. Also, the angle of the leaves are another way that we describe crown and canopy structure. The leaf angles could be more or less horizontal or more or less vertical. Now, all of these combine to influence light availability in the forest. And some of the kind of key aspects related to light availability, and some are kind of summaries of these different ways that we describe forests. In particular, the number of leaves in your forest, which is going to be a function of tree density, crown shape, things like that. The orientation of the leaves. This is kind of thinking broadly about both the clumpiness of the leaves and the angles of the leaves. And finally, what's the density of the leaves? And that's related to kind of not only where they are in the canopy, but your canopy and tree density as well. So what density of leaves do you have in your canopy to intercept light?